My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey. Wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. This one fine. Now so, woman wey write list go market take pack okrika come back house. Oh. My people, una know talk say yesterday na information come out where Alex Ekubo family members dem, the elders wey dey more educated when it comes to issues like this, and im brothers dey gather theirself come im house coming to tell him wetin im get to chook mouth put for inside the matter wey don land for their family now, because ever since they dey drag this matter dey go dey drag am dey come, im never talk anything at all, only for them to come the house come see say a lot is really going on with the man, say so many things are not right. Just to say Jack, the man started saying some kind things wey be say they no ever believe say e dey exist. How the woman take dey tell am, woman wey im marry o, wey im think say e go better based on say she don turn to evangelist, she don dey close to God, she don get fear of God. The woman go practically tell am say person wey you hope on go later disappoint you. Come go adopt children finish, say make im carry im will, make im carry next of kin give the adopted children, make im forget im own children, say im own children don arrive. Say na dat matter wey dem still dey solve, dem still dey try to battle am till today till tomorrow. Dem no battle am finish. Even after e warn Alex, Alex still find himself as a victim to such activities of the stepmom. As e finish talk wey im dey beg dem say make dem help am, make dem help am, dey say dey go come back, come get back to am, say because im just dey tell dem now, and you know say anything that has to do with family matter like this, dey no dey just jump take action. Dey go need to go consult theirself, dey go need to sit down do family meeting, talk on how dey go do the wakama. Whereas the man was seeing and he knows what he's saying, because they say na who wear shoe na im know where the shoe dey pinch am. Na person wey dey hear am hot na im go tell you how e take hot reach. And if e dey explain to you based on say you no dey in the picture, you are not there when the thing is happening, you no go really feel am the way him wey dey there dey feel am. So as im explain finish, wey im cry finish, talk wetin im wan talk finish, wey make am things wey make am feel say the woman need to be investigated and so on and so forth, and why the family should please give Alex Ekubo the justice that he deserve, meaning is coming from the father's mouth now, coming from the horse's mouth, because you know say as all these things dey happen, people dey shout Alex papa no dey alive, Alex papa no dey, this one that one, Alex papa dey. But even for im own daughter wedding, im own biological daughter wedding, Chioma, he could not go. It was Alex that did everything. Na im be this picture wey una dey see so, na Alex na im do papa, na im do aunty, na im do uncle, na im do everything for that wedding. The father could not go because he was not feeling fine. His condition no be the one wey be say im go appear before im in-law. E get as e be. Imagine a man wey dey for wheelchair, wey stroke wan finish, wetin e dey go do for im pikin wedding? So he cannot even have a say. He cannot say anything. Na to just dey do anything wey dem talk e go answer, because you wan go dey correct your destiny helper, you wan go dey correct person wey dey help you dey wash nyash if you shit, you wan go dey correct person wey dey cook food give you, person wey say im dey go dey find solution to your problem, you wan go dey talk to am anyhow? Shey you wan suffer? According to papa Alex now, say na im lineage na im just go like this. So im only son, im only son, Chioma don marry now, she dey go dey form another family for where she dey. Im only son wey for give am great grandchildren, wey go keep im lineage active, na im kpai so. The stepmother no born any pikin for am, na she adopt the ones wey she get. So which automatically means that Alex was his eyes, Alex was everything that he ever owned in this world, him and Chioma. But today the Alex no dey again, wey make the man say e fear for im life, because no matter how him and Alex take dey disagree as father and son, no matter how Alex no take dey check up on am, e still prefer am say e dey alive than the one wey be say e no dey at all. At least on a day wey im go still cry, one day Alex go remember say na im papa o, e go look back. But as e no dey wey im kpai so, na dat one na im bad pass. As im cry finish for im brothers dem, dey say dey go go back and get back to him. Omo, e dey cry finish, e dey go. Na dat time im condition come get as e be. As we speak right now, dey say dis man dey rush am go hospi. Wetin happen? Omo, na im I carry come for una like dis o. Just like dat, condition just get as e be. E say e no fit even do the one wey im even fit manage do before. At least inside the stroke, e still get the one wey be say e fit still do. At least e fit sit down for wheelchair, raise im head up. E say e come be like say dem pana beat am, e no get himself, as if im wan kpai. Na im o, the woman, that is the stepmother now, Madam Jenny, come carry am go drop am for hospital. Say as Jenny drop am for there, omo, na so she comot o. The doctor wey she talk say make e dey watch over him, all of a sudden doctor come, e put water for am, put drip, e comot, e no see doctor again. Say na there wey im dey, im start dey cry because he cannot handle phone. He has not been the one handling phone. Na Madam Jenny dey handle phone. Nothing wey im fit do. You know as vegetable dey be, also like ogbono soup, e just lie down there. Na im dey say dis man start dey cry like small pikin. Imagine wetin man use im hand take go buy for himself. Imagine wetin person third leg take carry yam go put inside. Imagine wetin 30 minutes enjoyment carry am put inside. Imagine you going to carry the headquarter of Akunakuna, the head, when dey say headquarter, na she be the woman in charge for dat place according to the information allegedly based on people wey know her. Say na she dey in charge for Akunakuna kingdom. You carry am come, 10 minutes enjoyment, you use am come scatter family wey you dey arrange for how many years. Now dey don go drop you for there because dey know talk say for there now you are responding to treatment, na im dey go just dey talk. You see say the man was right when he was able to manage himself, tell im brothers say he is the next, because based on how dey take dey treat am now, he no get himself, he no even know wetin im dey do. The more dey give am herbal, the more dey give am treatment, the more im dey go down the more. Say im don see people wey be say dem get stroke, at least dey dey recover. If dey dey take medication, dey dey alright, dey dey recover small small. But im own case, never a time. The more im take am, the more he feel weak, the more all im joint go dey pain am, the more im go dey feel like something is missing in his body. Even though im know talk say something is missing already, but im go dey feel am like e no get himself, e no dey alright. So now like dis, as e go there, as e start dey cry like small pikin, na im dey say one nurse come meet am. Say the doctor that is at ten ding to you, where im dey? Because the drip wey dey put for am na just ordinary drip, nothing dey put for inside, na just normal water to dehydrate, abi how dey take dey talk am, the nurses in the house say na just normal water, nothing dey inside. Come say where the doctor wey dey at ten d to you? The man, you know say to talk na problem, but you need to concentrate, you need to give am clear abi na proper at ten tion for you to understand where im dey go and where im dey come, wetin the message wey im dey try to pass. Like im dey talk o, no be say im no dey talk, but the talk no dey 100% clear. E dey talk like bebe, you know the way bebe dey talk. Something is happening, like e no dey according to the information. I never see the man before, I no know, but based on the information, the insider wey dey come give us the update. So dey say the man come dey tell the nurse say abeg, say im need one person wey im go talk to. Na im the nurse come say say how she wan take know the person now. But before then, make she look for the doctor wey dey treat am so that she go know wetin im don write down for im later im paper, because as a doctor you know say if dem carry you come, dey go write wetin be your problem so that dey go get the medication wey dey go give you. Money is not the problem. Alex papa na e still get money, no matter how the money don dry, the money go still dey, no how no how. So no be say na the treatment money na im be the koko. So wetin come be the reason wey make you carry am come drop am waka go leave am? Why would you do that? On this particular note wey be say a lot dey go on for the man head already, you get mind come drop am for there, wey make me dey talk am say omo, if this information is correct, that woman dem no suppose allow her dey waka freely by now. Dem suppose don look for a place, tie her, start dey do the investigation privately without allowing anybody see her or come close to her, make dem no even come poison her mind, make she no gree wan talk, like make dem put her in a tight corner wey be say she no go know what to do but to expose and reveal all the secret wey she know concerning the matter wey dey on ground. Na im the woman come say, which is the nurse, come tell the man say toh, she no know how she go take help am, but wetin be the person name and how she go take reach the person. E say even him e no know. Na so e dey before im go talk one, before im go talk two, say even him e no know, because im no dey use phone. Na im wife na im dey use phone, and now the phone dey her hand. Im no go fit get the phone number. If not, e for get the phone number, but say na popular person. Say okay, who be the person? Say Ike Ogbonna. Say Ike Ogbonna. Na she come say, Ike Ogbonna na wey dey act film. Yes, say she know am, but how she go take get who know am now wey she go reach am, make dem let am know, talk say im dey here. And on their social media handle to reach dem na Gombe, no be small thing. Say but she go try, make im pray hard, make if she try make e happen. Na so she come try her luck, come chat Ike Ogbonna for Instagram message. As she drop the message for am, after some hours, immediately Ike Ogbonna see say Alex father e needed serious at ten tion. Na im dey say instantly e reply. He come tell her to drop phone number. She drop her phone number. He called her. When he called, say na Alex papa o, e dey here o. Nobody dey here with am, only him na im dey here. You know say Chioma dey for husband house. She no dey there with them, and im no kukuma come dey handle phone. You see the matter wey dey ground, wey the Okwereke Ekubo family dey talk, wey people dey tell them make dem enter house. People dey try to sideline them. People dey try to silence them. People no want make dem talk. Una no go understand. Say na this woman na im dey always dey control all their phones. Who knows whether na she also dey answer the calls, maybe answer all the calls, all the chat wey Alex Ekubo colleagues dem dey chat am, say dem wan come, all the chat wey pastors and all dey chat am say how e dey, all those reply wey im dey reply. Who know whether na the woman dey reply all of them? Because with wetin the man dey talk now, say im no dey handle phone. Even when Alex biological mama dey try all her best to reach him, make dem get an agreement, make she come see her children, make she get closure with her children, wey the man dey decline. She cannot even reach the man. If she drop message, the man go reply. If she call am for phone, make dem talk, make dem discuss for where e no go reach the man, not knowing say na Madam Jenny, na she dey in charge of phone. Na she dey chat. Who knows, like I said, whether na she also dey in charge of Alex phone, wey make im no dey fit make call, but im dey always dey chat, and im chat dey always dey active. Im chat dey always dey prayerful. If you needed, if maybe you come complain say a lot is going on, e go pray for you, e go talk to you well, as in e go chat you well, but e no dey talk. Oh, e no dey talk. E go tell you say he's in a place where he cannot talk, according to that pastor that day. Now, na im she say okay, as im come reply, wey e come give her number, e come tell her the name of the hospital, come also beg am say the man o, e talk say e no wan make anybody know, and that e should not come now. like she want to find out something, then get back to him and tell him the exact time he will come. Ike Ogbonna say no, okay, no problem. So when she finally found out say the doctor wey at ten d to am sef, e don go off. Like you know say they dey do shifting, they dey always go off, another person go come. Na im she come go call Ike Ogbonna say okay, im fit come now. Now will be the safer time for him to come, because the man tell am say the doctor follow im wife go. Since the wife go, he no see the doctor again. So the nurse now come also dey suspect the doctor wey dey at ten d to am. Everything put together based on wetin the man too don the hint wey the man don hint the nurse, wey make the nurse come talk say she promise that she will be there for him. She will be the daughter that he never had. She will be the son that he never had, pending when he will leave the hospital. Because she no fit follow am go house. Now they no born her papa well, because Jenny dey there dey wait. So na all her attention, all her love, all the care e go end for hospital here. But all the time wey im go spend for this hospital, she go sha show am care and love because of Alex Ekubo. The man was so happy. So when he come find out say the doctor no go dey around, he come give Ike signal say he can be coming now, say he's very free to come. When Ike dey come, im come carry Edo follow body, but he no carry her enter the hospital. He carry her, at least they say if you dey waka nowadays with the kind situation of things wey dey go on now, omo, you need to be extra careful, and you need to carry people along. E get why. Because last anything wey sup, na who dey with you na im dey go first ask. So im carry Edo follow body. When they got there, she waited for him in the car. Im come go meet the man. Na im the man come start to, he say ever since Alex kpai, im no just understand wetin dey happen for im family. The same thing wey im explain to im elders, to im brothers dem, the same thing na im this man start dey explain to Ike Ogbonna. Ike no even know when he burst cry. They say Ike start dey cry. He say im dey call am, im get brothers, so he get people wey im go tell, wey im go talk to. He even don already talk to them already, but im believe say he still need to talk to Ike, because Ike is like a son to him, the son wey im no get now. So that's why im dey talk to Ike. Say im go need one favor from Ike, that whatsoever will be the situation, that he should carry Chioma as his own. Say even if im kpai comot for this life today, abeg make im take care of Chioma for am. I come dey tell am say im no go kpai and im no go comot for this world. Im go dey, e go enjoy. He say wetin im come dey wait for, wey be say the only thing wey im dey live for don kukuma come die go leave am. Wetin im come dey this life dey do? Say lie o. Say im just sha dey talk, im no talk say im wan kpai, but in case of im casity, because wetin im eye dey see now, even him no fit explain. Ike start dey cry because Ike know everything wey dey happen from the beginning to the very end. The man come dey beg Ike say abeg make Ike join hand with im family, make dem save am. Say im dey go through a lot right now. Im mouth no fit even talk wetin im eye dey see. Abeg make Ike no put am to shame. Make Ike no allow dem make dem do am wetin dem do im son. This one, that one. Na Ike come dey cry. Ike come say with immediate effect, they go even carry am comot from that hospital. Like the stepmother no go come back come meet town for that hospital. Make dem carry am comot. Na the man dey o, e no talk. According to the information right now, they say they don even carry the man. According to Ike now, he say im go carry the man comot from the hospital, but he still need, only him no go fit do am. He go need one or two persons from the person wey the man trust from im own family now, wey dey go join do am, so that make e no come carry person comot now. The man come go kpai, they go come say na Ike na im use am do, you understand na, or they go start dey drag the Ike again, because im be talk say with immediate effect make dem carry am comot go another place. Maybe one of im mind come tell am say no, only him cannot do it. Since im talk am say im don tell im brothers and people that are close small, im don talk to them. So Im come ask am which and who im talk to, so dat im go fit reach out to dem make dem do the needful. Since e dey here now, make dem do the needful. So now Ike don go to reach out to those other people make dem know wetin dey go do. Me, my advice, make dem try at ten d to the man right on time before it is too late. E no go make sense if the man come kpai now when Alex just kpai. E no go really make sense, because how would Chioma now cope even though she is married now, but how will she now cope without a father, no brother, all happening at once in her life? E no go really make any sense. But the question wey me I come dey ask be say, wetin come happen wey the stepmother go come carry the man go drop am for hospital, leave am there waka dey go, e no even bother? Wetin happen? And now you no call anybody. If no be say this nurse give this man a lis ten ing ears, na so this man go dey there. And you know the way hospital dey work, once they see say nobody come for your rescue, nobody dey pay for anything, they go leave you there. Before you know, they go say, ah, e kpai for hospital. The way they take come talk say Alex kpai for hospital, wey the family of the Ekubos go, they talk say na lie. They bring Alex kpai on arrival, e kpai for house. They carry am come, e don already kpai. Na the same thing na im go come happen now. They go say, na for hospital na, they carry am go, im collect drip. After im collect drip, after some while, he was not responding again. Before you know, na im kpai. Na wetin go end the story be that na. They go come dey drag wetin no loss at the end of the day, all because of say this man carry im pikin do next of kin on a nurse. Who you wan come carry do next of kin? Let's be sincere and logical. Shebi na the adopted children na im go come carry do next of kin? Omo, things really dey happen oh. Things really dey happen. The fear of the unknown wey make some people sometimes, if they dey do their things secretively, you go think say e get another thing, whether na secret court na dem join, but you no go know wetin their eye dey see. The way make I dey talk am say, anybody wey dey talk say this Alex Ekubo matter, make una enter house, make una no dey talk, is just like an eye opener for people to really learn from this case. Men, make una learn to keep una third leg for one place. Be contented. Be contented. Nothing dey for this hole oh. Hole na hole. Na you wey dey make am look as if na ogbono, egusi and other stuff like that. Na you know. Ogbono and egusi now don go buy market wey 1,000, 2,000, even 100 million naira no fit solve. Because if to say 100 million can bring Alex back to life, then for donate am, do am, bring am back to life. But even 100 million cannot bring Alex back to life. Na im be this matter wey dey on ground. So men, learn. It is better to say you divorce, you dey, you no marry, than say you go dey encourage polygamy. Whatever be the quarrel, whatever be the outcome, make una try settle una differences. That will be the best oh, instead of all this drama put together. Now see am, at your old age wey you suppose dey enjoy, dey live life, you use am now dey suffer. You come dey like person wey no born children. Oh chim, it is well oh. May God no let us use our hand take go buy market wey pass us. Abeg, I pray God will give their Ike Ogbonna and the family of the Ekubos the wisdom to go about this whole matter, to get the justice that they deserve. If possible, let them go on private, on mute, and be doing what they are doing underground. Make it just be say from nowhere na they go come wole the woman, tell her wetin they wan tell her, prosecute her if she's guilty. I think that would be the best. Or what do you guys think? Make una come make we interact with the comment section. Give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble guy, Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.